In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reflection effects in GIMP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners looking to add an artistic touch to their images by creating stunning, realistic-looking reflections. So let's dive right in and transform your photos with a reflective flair. First off, we need to start with our image layer. Make sure your image is open in GIMP. The initial step in achieving a reflection effect is to duplicate this layer. This duplication process sets a foundation by providing us with two identical layers that we will work with to simulate the reflection. Duplicating the layer can be easily achieved by going to the top menu, navigating to Layer, and selecting Duplicate Layer. You'll see a new layer appear in your Layers dock, usually named something like Background Copy. Great! Now that we have our duplicate layer, it's time to flip it vertically to create the reflection effect. To do this, we'll use the Flip tool, conveniently located in the toolbox. The icon somewhat resembles a line with an arrow. Click on it and make sure it's set to Vertical in the tool options. Apply the tool to your duplicated layer. This action essentially mirrors your image, flipping it upside down, which is crucial for achieving a realistic reflection. Once you've flipped your duplicated layer, the next step is to move this layer below the original one. Select the Move tool from your toolbox. It's the crosshair icon. With it selected, click on the flipped layer and drag it downwards. What you're doing here is positioning this flipped layer directly below your original image. And this setup is what tricks the eye into seeing a reflection. With our layers in the right position, we need to add that final touch that makes the reflection look authentic, a gradient mask to blend it subtly. Adding a gradient mask will allow the reflection to fade out gradually, mimicking the way reflections naturally tend to dissipate. Right-click on your flipped layer in the Layers dock and choose Add Layer Mask. In the options that come up, select White, Full Opacity. Now select the Gradient tool from your toolbox, usually depicted with a gradient icon, and ensure Black to White is selected in the Gradient options. Starting from where the two images touch, click, and drag downwards. You'll see the reflection fade as you adjust the gradient, giving it a more natural and realistic view. And that's it. We've successfully created a reflection effect using GIMP. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be creating incredible reflection effects that not only enhance the beauty of your images, but also add a professional touch. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial, and feel free to drop any questions or share your creations in the comments below. Happy editing!